Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet related videos and tutorials. And today I'm bringing to you 10 crochet projects perfect for the winter. So we are fast approaching the winter, and I thought I'd do a little video with 10 free patterns that you can find for winter projects. So I'll be linking in the description box every single free pattern that I mentioned today. So don't forget to head to the description box, and obviously the free patterns are available on my website selinaveronique.com, but they will also be available on my YouTube channel, of course. So to begin with, I wanted to show you this gorgeous granny square patchwork cardigan I crocheted a few months ago. It's so pretty, it's amazing, and it's a perfect cover-up for autumn winter, and it's a classic granny square cardigan. I think the shape is classic. It's actually really thick, and it's like a jacket slash cardigan, so it's really perfect, and it comes in multiple sizes. So I will be linking the free pattern in the description box. And this was crocheted with the beautiful all-in-one granny square yarn by Red Heart, I believe it was. I did make 2 videos about this project on my channel. So yes, so this is the first project I recommend you make for the winter. So the next project I wanted to show you is this one. So this is a beautiful beret. As you can see, it's so dainty, it's so feminine, and I do love this color for the winter. I think it's really great to have more pastel and whites in the winter, just to break away from the darkness. So I do love lighter colored accessories and lighter colored coats, for example. And this is a perfect example of a beret. I love it. This is inspired actually by the 1940s in France, because of the shape of the beret, but also the scalloped shell stitch edging, as you can see here. This is really soft and delicate, and as I said, it's perfect for the colder months. And this is crocheted with Lion Brand's Feels Like Butter yarn, which I absolutely adore. And once again, the free pattern will be linked in the description box. And next, I wanted to show you this classic beauty that is this coquette inspired bow. This is a hair bow. As you can see, there is a metal slide sewed to this project. So this is a beautiful bow. This makes a perfect gift, and it's really great for the autumn, winter, or any season actually. And it's really delicate, and it was a huge success actually on my blog and on the channel. And it's really delicate and feminine, and this is crocheted with Lion Brand Kobu yarn, I think it's pronounced, and it is part bamboo, part cotton yarn, I think. And it's super lightweight and soft, and it's super easy to crochet. The link for this free pattern will be in the description box. Another crochet project that is perfect for this season is this masculine blanket scarf. It's so gorgeous. It really is a perfect gift for a special man in your life. I just did the tutorial for this on my channel, I think a few weeks ago, and this scarf is made with chunky yarn. I think I made it with James C. Brett marble chunky yarn, and it's really lovely, and it features this textured knit like stitch, which I think looks beautiful with this specific yarn because of the colors that automatically are present. So I think this is a great stitch with this yarn, but of course you can use any chunky yarn that you want, and this makes a great gift for Christmas too. And of course the free pattern will be linked in the description box. Next up we have the winter flower shawl that I crocheted, I think last week, and I absolutely adore this shawl. It's so pretty, it's so dainty, it's so perfect for this season. And again, this is also a great gift that you can give someone special. And as you can see, it is crocheted with this beautiful yarn from Michaels. It's loops and threads yarn. I can't remember exactly which yarn by Loops and Threads. Oh yes, it was Loops and Threads ombre yarn, and it's so delicate. I love the variegated blues and then pinks and purples. It's so pretty, and it's so perfect for this season. It kind of gives a frosty vibe that I love, like a frosty ice princess vibe. I love it. And so it features a simple stitch as well as a bubble stitch, and also a beautiful shell stitch edging. So I love this shawl. I will be linking the free pattern in the description box. So this project is also perfect for the winter. I won't spend a lot of time on this one, but as you can see, it's a beautiful velvet scrunchie, a classic for the winter, and a classic gift that you can whip up in literally 5 minutes. So, or maybe 10 minutes, but no more than 10 minutes. And this makes a great stocking filler, or just a beautiful little Christmas gift if you kind of wrap it up nicely with something else. This is a great gift idea, and so economical because obviously you don't need a lot of yarn. This is a very chunky velvet yarn. I think this is Bernat velvet. Again, I will be linking the free pattern in the description box. Another gift that is absolutely easy to make and makes also another pattern, that makes a perfect winter gift accessory is this flower crown. So this is perfect for all seasons, to be honest. But this is so easy. It's such a fast project because these little cherry blossom flowers take so little time to crochet, and once you've made them, it's really fast just to sew them together and then add these little ties. And this again makes a beautiful gift for Christmas. I will be linking the free pattern in the description box. I wanted also to show you another little scrunchie. It's this coquette inspired scrunchie. As you can see, it features an off-white shade and a little delicate pink border. Again, this makes a perfect Christmas gift for a loved one. Another perfect gift would be this vintage Bernadette shawl. So it's so beautiful, it's so pretty, and it's a typical shawl inspired by the 19th century, where it was really, really popular to have a shawl that features two darker stripes like this at the bottom. So these designs were really popular in the 19th century, and this was actually unconsciously inspired by Saint Bernadette of Lourdes, and she actually wore one of these shawls, and yes, I think I was inspired by her shawl unconsciously, and I absolutely adore that I was inspired by her. So yes, so the free pattern is available on my blog also, and this makes a perfect gift for the winter. It's quite a large shawl because you can wrap it around your body like a Sontag and then tie it at the back. Yes, in the back area you tie it. So this is a great project to make. And last but not least, this beautiful bandana. So I released this tutorials a few weeks ago, and it's been a huge success on the channel and on the blog. It's a beautiful, beautiful little bandana, and again, this makes a perfect gift for yourself or a perfect gift for a loved one. So yes, as always, I will be linking this in the description box, and this was crocheted by a yarn called Vireo yarn. It's a tencel or tencel yarn, and I did crochet also a beautiful shawl, a vintage shawl with this same yarn. I will be linking all of these free patterns in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this little guide to 10 free crochet patterns perfect for the winter. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this list. And happy crochet. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.